Hi guys, I will show you how to turn on dark mode in Google Chrome. So there are a few ways, so let's jump into first. So open the Google Chrome browser and on the top right menu go to Settings, and on the left side you will find Appearance tab. Let's click on that and then go to Theme. If you click on that, it will redirect you to Chrome Web Store with themes, and here you can choose any available theme. If you want dark mode, probably you will find something for you in dark and black themes. Okay, so second approach. If you are using Windows 10, you can go to Windows Settings. So press Windows button or go to Start and go to Settings. Next, go to Personalization, and here you will find also Themes tab. So let's click on that and let's jump into Color option. And here you will find the option for choose your default app mode. So for now it's light selected, and if you switch to dark, it will switch all of the windows on your PC to dark mode if it's supporting by any application running here. So Google Chrome is supporting and it's automatically dark. If you open any other browser or application, if it's supporting, it will be also in dark mode. So that's the second way to do it. Let's back to light mode. Okay, and the final last one, for example, you don't want to be in dark mode anywhere, you just want to switch dark mode without installing any themes or extension, just in Chrome. Make sure you are using latest Chrome version. I'm using latest, which is for now 86. So if you go to New tab, on the bottom right corner there is Customize button. Just click on that, and on the left side find Color and Theme. From here you can select dark mode or any of the other available colors. And that's it. I think now it's clear for you and it helps you. Thanks for watching.